Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Guru. Today I'll teach you a topic of 12th Maths, that is matrices part 1. Go. Matrices, that is a rectangular array of numbers. This is called rectangular array of numbers. In this case, one thing is the order, that is the number of rows into number of columns. Now how can we define the number of rows and number of columns? Horizontal rows, horizontal lines are the rows, and vertical lines, that is the column. Now I am giving you an example. Suppose matrices is denoted by this type of bracket like this. If I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now in this case, these are the horizontal rows. So these are the R1, R2, R3, row 1, row 2, row 3. This is the vertical lines. These vertical lines are said to be the columns C1, C2, C3. Now in this case, in this matrix, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So your order will become 3 by 3. This is the method how you can write the order of a matrices. Matrices are given the alphabet, that is a capital letter, say A or B or whatever it is, right? So that's why you can find the number of, you can find the order of a matrices, right? There may be 2 rows or 3 rows or 2 columns or 3 columns, whatever it is. In this case, number of rows and number of columns are same. There is no need of this. Suppose I am giving another example, say 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, like this. In this case, 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is the order of this will become 2 by 3. Here 2 rows and 3 columns, right? Now the next topic, that is matrices. First I am telling you the row matrix. Row matrix in which all the elements are present in a single row. For example, say 1, 2, 3. This is the all the elements are present in a single row. In this case, 1 row and 3 columns. So the order will become 1 by 3 in this case, right? Second is your column matrix. Column matrix in which all the elements are present in a single column. For example, say 4, 5, 1, like this. Here only a single column is there, but the rows are 3, these one. So the order will become 3 by 1. Is it clear? Now next is the square matrix. Square matrix, when number of rows is equal to number of columns, that is called a square matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order will become 2 by 2. Like that, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 1 by 1, 1 by 1 having only a 1 element. Say this. So this is the 1 by 1. 3 by 3 when 3 rows and 3 columns are there. 0, 1, 5 like this. Okay, in this case, this will become 3 by 3. So these are the square matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal, right? Now the next is your fourth one is your diagonal matrix. As the name suggests, diagonal means all the elements are present in a single diagonal and rest of the elements are 0. Say 0, in this case 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. In this case, all the elements are present in this diagonal. So this is called the diagonal matrix as well as the square matrix, right? Next is your scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is just like the diagonal matrix in which single element, say 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. In this case, we will take 3 common. अगर हम 3 common निकालते हैं तो this will become 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Like this. Is it clear? So this is your scalar matrix. Next is your identity matrix, that is the sixth one. This is your identity matrix. Identity matrix in which the elements in a single diagonal, one of the diagonal is 1, rest of the element is 0, like this. So this will become 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. The identity matrix, and this possible only in the case of a square matrix. Here order is 3 by 3. If we will take order 2 by 2, then the matrix will become 1 0 0 1, like this. This is 2 by 2. Last is your zero matrix, when all the elements are 0. That is your zero matrix, like 0 0 0 0. This is the 2 by 2. Same is the case with the 3 by 3, right? So in this case, you have all the 7 matrices. First is the row matrix, then the column matrix, then the square matrix, then the diagonal matrix, then the scalar matrix, then the identity matrix, and then the zero matrix, right? These are the type of matrices. Now I am going to explain the equality of a matrices. Equality of a matrices. Equality, जैसा कि नेम बता ही रहा है कि when two matrix we are equal, if we will equate two of the matrix, then their order must be same. That is the main point. Suppose you have given x, y, z, 1, 2, d. That is equality by 1 2 3 0 5 1, right? 1 इधर 2 ले लेते हैं, right? Now in this case you will see, अगर हम equality कह रहे हैं तो here order is 2 by 3, here order is also 2 by 3. Now the corresponding element is equated by the corresponding element. For that we will equate x by 1, y by 2, z by 3 and d by 1. So by that you will get the value of x is 1, y is 2, z is 3 and d is equal to 1, like this. So you can get any of the variable value, किसी भी variable की value निकालनी हो तो we can find it by equality of a matrices, right? Suppose I am giving you another example, say 2x plus y, here y, here only x, इधर x minus y is equal to say 5, 1, 2 or say somewhat like 3. So in this case you will equate 2x plus y is equal to 5. This is one of the equation, as we are equating the corresponding element. पहला element पहले के साथ, right? और सेकेंड को इससे इक्वेट किया तो y की वैल्यू आ गई 1. इफ यू विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ y 1 हियर, तो यू विल गेट 2x इज इक्वल टू 5 minus 1, दैट इज इक्वल टू 4. बाय दैट यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है. सो बाय दैट हम ये बता रहे हैं कि हम किस तरह से किसी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट को निकाल सकते हैं. वन थिंग मोर, वट एवर बी द पोजिशन. अब मैंने आपको बताया था कि ये रो 1 है, ये कॉलम 1 है, तो व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ x? What is the position of 2x plus y? That is A11. A11 मतलब first row first column is x. A12 first row second column, that is y. A13 first row third column position, that is z. A21, this is the 21. A21 second row first column, that is 1. A22 second row second column, that is 2. And A23 second row third column, that is D in this case. So by that we can find the position कि which element is placed at which position. आपको वो position पता लगी जाएगी तो आप easily find out कर सकते हैं कि what is the value of that variable, right? Now I am explaining the next topic. Now the next one is your exercise 3.1, that is based on this topic: equality of matrices, type of matrices, order of a matrices, and how you will design a matrix if any of the variable is given. ठीक है. Now first question, आपके पास मैट्रिक्स A के अंदर एलिमेंट्स गिवन है, say 2, 5, 19 minus 7. Next is your 35 minus 2, 5 by 2 and 12. Next is your root 3, 1 minus 5 and 17. ठीक है. अब इसमें हमें बताना है ऑर्डर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स। अब ऑर्डर के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे कितनी रोज है, 3 रोज है, और कॉलम कितने हैं, 4 कॉलम्स है। So by that your order will become 3/4. That is the order of a matrix. Next is the number of elements. Number of elements जितना order होता है उसको अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो हमारे पास number of elements आ जाता है. So number of elements that comes out to be 3 into 4, that is 12 elements. By that you will get the number of elements, right? Next is the elements. Elements उसने पूछा है आपसे A13. अभी मैंने आपको पोजीशन समझाई थी. A13 मतलब फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो का थर्ड कॉलम that is 19. So A13 is your 19. Next is your A21. A21 second row first column. Second row first column is 35. That is 35. Next is your A33, third row third column. Third row third column is -5. Next is A24. A24 second row fourth column, that is 12. Next is your A23. A23 that is second row third column. Second row third column is 5/2. By that you can find the elements whatever be the position that has to be asked, right? Second question. This is the first question. Now the second question. If the matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? 24. You can find the prime factors of 24. First prime factor, that is 2 into 12 or 12 into 2. Then 3 into 3 into 8 or 8 into 3. Next is your 4 into 6 or 6 into 4. Next is your 3 into 8 is already done. That's it. So these are the one thing, or 1 into 24 or 24 into 1. So these are the possible orders. That means 8 types. 2 into 12, 12/2. 3/8, 8/3, 4/6, 6/4, 1/24, 24/1. By that we can find the order of the matrix. In this one more thing is asked, 13 elements. अगर matrix में 13 elements हो, 13 as you know it is a prime number. Prime number के factors are not possible. So only 2 order is there, 1 into 3 or 13 into 1. 1 into 13 का मतलब है 1 row and 13 columns. और 13 into 1 का मतलब है 13 rows and 1 column, right? Now next, third question is same. I think you can try it yourself. Fourth question. Go. Fourth question. In this question, we have to design a matrix and the variable is given in the form of an identity. First part, I am explaining one of the part. That is Aij is equal to I plus j का whole square divided by 2. We have to construct a 2/2 matrix, right? तो 2/2 में आपके पास एलिमेंट्स कौन कौन से हैं? A11, A12, A21, A22. Now first of all we will find A11. A11 I की जगह 1, j की जगह 1 का whole square upon में 2. 1 plus 1, 2 का square, that is 4/2 comes out to be 2. Next A12. 1 plus 2 का square upon में 2. 3 का square 9/2. A21. 2 plus 1 का square upon में 2, that is again 9/2. A22, that is 2 plus 2 का square upon में 2, that is 2 plus 2, 4 का square is 16/2 comes out to be 8. So if you will write the matrix, it comes out to be 2, 9/2, 9/2 and 8. This is your matrix, right? So by that you can find any of the matrix, right? Now I'll explain one of the part of fifth question in which mod is given. In fifth, first part. Now the matrices that has to be designed is given by Aij is equal to 1/2 within the mod minus 3i plus j. In this case we have to design a 3/4 matrix. 3 by 4, that means the 12 elements that has to be found. First A11, first element. Now the elements कौन से है, मैं मैट्रिक्स लिख देती हूँ. A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, then A31, A32, A33, A34. अब इसको हमने डिजाइन किया. A11 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 1 comes out to be minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. Then A12 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. वन थिंग, ये बोर्ड मोड में से बाहर आएगा तो इट कम्स आउट टू बी प्लस. ये मोड में से बाहर आया तो ये भी प्लस हो गया. बचा कितना आपके पास, खाली 1 by 2. देन A13 फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम minus 3 into 1 plus 3, minus 3 plus 3 comes out to be 0. A14 first row fourth column minus 3 into 1 plus 4, 4 minus 3 comes out to be 1, that is 1 by 2. Then A21 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, mod में से बाहर आया तो 5 by 2. A22 that is minus 3 into 2, second row second column. 6 plus 2 4 by 2, that is 2. A23 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3, minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, mod में से बाहर आके 3 by 2. Next is your A24 that is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 mod में से आ गया 2 by 2, that is 1. Then A31 third row first column minus 3 into 3 plus 1, minus 9 plus 1 minus 8, mod में से बाहर आया plus 8 by 2, that is 4. A32 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 2, minus 9 plus 2 minus 7, mod में से बाहर आके 7 by 2. A33 that is minus 3 into 3 plus 3, minus 9 plus 3 minus 6 upon में 2, तो plus 6 upon में 2 will comes out to be 3. A34 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 4, minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 comes out to be 5 by 2. Now your matrix will become A11 1 by 2 0 1 by 2, then 5 by 2 2 3 by 2 1, then 4 7 by 2 3 5 by 2. This is your matrix. Like this you can design any of the matrix. Same is the question with fifth ka. Now in the sixth question, that is the equality of a matrix, and I am explaining how you will find the values of a unknown variable. Right? Question 6. In this case you have to find the value of unknown variable. Now I am explaining the part 2 of the sixth question, that is in this you will form an equation. This is given as x plus y, 5 plus z, 2 or xy, right? That is equated by 6 2 5 8, equality of our matrices. Now corresponding element is equated by corresponding element. So x plus y is equal to 6, right? Or in this case xy is equal to 8. By that you can find any of the value. X की value हम निकालते हैं 8 upon y. We can put this value in the first equation. So 8 by y plus y is equal to 6. 8 plus y square is equal to 6y. So y square minus 6y plus 8 equal to 0. You can split the middle term. Middle term split up करते हैं तो minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. Your factor will become y minus 4 and y minus 2. You will get two values of y, 4 and 2. Now you will put the value in this equation to get the value of x. अब अगर हम यहाँ पे पुट करते हैं तो x की वैल्यू कितनी आती है, अगर आप x के y की जगह 4 पुट करते हैं तो x2 आता है, अगर आप y की जगह 2 पुट करते हैं तो x आपका 4 आता है। तो ये x की 2 वैल्यूज, ये y की 2 वैल्यूज। दिस इज द आंसर, राइट। नाउ यू कैन डू द सिमिलर पार्ट्स। 7th क्वेश्चन दैट इज द सेम। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द 7th क्वेश्चन somewhat different. A minus B, then 2A minus B, 2C, 2A plus C and 3C plus D equated by -1, 5, 0, 13. अब कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट को आप इक्वेट करते हैं तो a माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू -1, इसको इक्वेट किया 2a माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू 0। दोनों इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो ये कैंसिल हो गया। -2a प्लस a माइनस a इज इक्वल टू -1, a इज इक्वल टू 1 आ गया आपके पास, राइट। अब a की वैल्यू आप फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में वापस पुट करते हैं तो आपके पास b आ जाएगा। 1 माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू -1 माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू -1, b कम्स आउट टू बी 2, b की वैल्यू 2 आ गई। नाउ नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन इज योर, इसको इक्वेट किया हमने 2a प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 5, 2a प्लस c इज